Aloha guys!
In today's video we're going to be unboxing the DJI MINI 2.
We're also going to fly test it and tell you what we think. So recently we had a drone accident. Our drone crashed, it's broken. Phantom 3, we've had it for quite a while now. So we're done with this piece of junk.
And we got a new toy! Woo woo! Let's open it and see what's inside.
Heck yeah. Alright. Alright.
Alright, let's get to it. So inside it comes wrapped in a beautiful, nice bag. It's actually very nice to the touch.
Let me see. Yeah, wow.
Feels like very fancy actually.
Yeah,
really surprised
really
by the
well
quality
made.
of this bag. It's very nice.
Yeah, we didn't even get it for the bag, but...
Yeah, no, it was just an extra that came with
Yeah.
it, you know, and it was nice. Okay, so are you ready for this? Or you want to smell it one more time?
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Okay.
Does it open from the other way?
Oh yeah, it
Yeah,
does. It does.
okay, so it opens this
from
way.
This way.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, wow.
Alright, so first thing is the remote.
Nice.
It's actually very nice. I like it. The color is nice. Yeah, it's very nice. And also it has your phone, you know. It goes up and down depending on how big your phone is. I don't think it will fit an iPad. You made an adapter, but it will fit a lot of range of phones.
Yeah. Feels really cool.
Right.
Really nice on the touch. The joysticks are down here, so you could take them out and screw it on top. But I know some people just like to fly it without them, so
Yeah.
you have both of those options.
And here's the usual guide manuals, you know, that comes with all electronics that you usually buy.
Did they put any stickers?
No stickers for this one. So our previous drone, the DJI Phantom 3, came with a bunch of cool stickers.
Yeah.
The good thing is we still have them. So we can use our
Oh,
cool
yeah.
stickers on our
Okay.
new drone. Yeah.
Alright, that's
Awesome.
awesome.
So the accessories. So again, we bought the Fly More combo, so it comes with way more things than the regular DJI MINI 2. We will get to that later in the video. So yeah, go ahead, open the accessories. Such a nice bag. I
Yeah.
just want to use this as my purse.
You can totally rock
Right?
it. Yeah, I can totally see it. Alright, so some charging cables. Let me see. Oh, nice. This is the 3 battery, the charging pack. So we specifically wanted to make sure we have extra batteries. We got this super small.
Oh
Wow.
wow! And
Like
you can
the-
charge all 3 at the same time.
Yeah.
Right?
Like these 3 feel smaller than our old 1 battery. So it's just.
You also
barely
come
takes
with
any
the
space.
charging base, whatever you want to call this, charging base. Usually
Yeah.
the drones don't come with this. It's very nice because you can just plug it into the wall. There's also a USB here where you can literally just like use a battery pack or your car or you know the usual.
Comes with a USB-C cable.
And that's it, right?
And 1 extra charging cable.
No,
Okay.
that's not chargers. That's to connect to the. Okay, so one of these cables
Oh.
is to connect the phone. Actually, both of them are the same. Okay,
Yeah.
so both of these cables are to connect the remote to the phone. Usually the drone we had, we connect through Bluetooth. There was no
Right.
cable needed, but in this one, they give you an extra one in case one breaks, which is actually really nice. Oh, alright,
So-
we gotta figure all these cables out.
They know most of us creatives already have iPhones, so it comes with the lightning
Yeah,
cable.
so you got an adapter, which is awesome.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Are you ready for the most important piece of the bag? The drone! Oh my god, this is like tiny. It's like on my hand is bigger than the drone.
Wow.
It's like literally like the size of an
This
iPhone.
is like nothing. Yeah.
I think the new
Wow.
iPhones are actually bigger than this.
Yeah. Holy
I'm
cow.
not sure if you like really. I just don't really want to show you like how small it is. It's crazy. It's just. I never seen a drone this small. Like it's nice. It feels nice and really like good quality. But part of me is like, it's so small. How can it be good? Like the propellers
Yeah.
are like literally like the size, not even the size of my finger. It's very interesting.
Wow.
Yeah. So this one, it comes with the protection for the propeller. Usually it's new. They really just added this, and so if you just buy the DJI regular Mini 2, doesn't have it. You need to have the Flymore combo. The reason they added it is because people complain that when you store the drone, the propellers are just going crazy on your back, and that could like damage them. So this is a really good addition to it.
Yeah.
Open it.
Oof. I'll have the honors.
Right?
Oof. Okay, so it actually has the numbers on it, so we know that you need to unfold the ones first.
Oh, it does have numbers.
Yeah.
That's nice.
And then you do the twos. Oh, these go this way, so the bottom ones flip this way, and that's it. And it takes off like this.
Yeah, so you see how small and low this is? So you cannot take off on from grass, because there's like grass around. This will get stuck in the grass compared to the actual drones who are like very usually high. So make sure you do have somewhere where to take it off. You can take it off from your hand, but not really recommended. The camera is in the front, and it comes with the protection, the camera protection.
The gimbal cover. You have to remove that before you fly it. Yeah.
Okay, so let's open this.
Take that off.
And okay, there you go. So it's a nice small camera. It's insane that this little small drone does what it's supposed to do, and we will tell you everything. And this camera is like tiny, not even joking. I'm like one of the things about our old drone that you saw broke is how annoying it is to carry it everywhere. Like we don't fly as much because of how big and heavy it is. So I hope we'll fly more.
Yeah, me too. Me too.
Yeah.
We used to have this big like backpack just to be able to carry it with one battery, and now we're really excited. Let me take a look.
Of course.
I'm such a nerd. I'm really loving this. Wow. The other cool thing about this is the weight of it.
Oh, it's so light.
Yeah. It's only 249 grams, which is actually...
the whole box with everything was like, we're like, are you sure this is the drone? It was like really, really light.
Super light. So yeah, basically the main reason it's under 250 grams is that there are some FAA requirements.
So you don't have to register it.
Exactly.
Awesome. Saves you like $5. That's usually registered now. Let's get to the specs.
Yes.
Awesome. Okay, so the flight time for this drone is
31 minutes
per battery. So in this combo we have 3 batteries, so that takes us to like an hour and a half of flying.
Yeah.
If you get the normal one, it's only 1 battery, so half an hour of flying. It has pretty good wind resistance, level 5.
Wow.
Yeah, that's really good. The camera shoots in 4K up to 30 frames per second.
Yes.
2.7K up to 60 frames per second.
Yes.
And full HD up to
60 frames per second.
Yes.
Yes.
The temperature goes from, if I'm not mistaken, 14 Fahrenheit.
32 Fahrenheit to 104.
To 104. He's better with numbers than I do. I don't remember with numbers. Yeah, and it's really, I really can't wait to fly it. It's really nice and beautiful. So the price for this one was $599 with everything.
Yeah.
Compared to, if you only get just the drone without the Flymore combo, you pay
$449.
$449. Okay.
And the 150 extra, we thought it was highly worth it just because of the batteries. But with this thing that comes extra and the bag, I feel like it's even a lot more added value. So highly recommend this one.
Yes. So if you get only the drone only, you will get 1 battery, the drone, the remote controller, the cables. What you won't get is the very nice shoulder bag, the charging hub, 2 extra batteries, and this little piece right here.
Oh, okay.
Also this, to protect the propellers from
flying around.
Yeah. But yeah, I mean, we love to fly the drones. We always complain that we don't have enough battery, so we wanted to invest the extra $150 to get everything we needed.
Yeah.
But if you are a beginner or you just fly for fun, then the normal one is way more than enough.
Yeah, that makes complete sense.
I'm really excited to fly this, and yeah, awesome.
The flying range for it is up to 6 miles in low interference. So we live in a lot of high rises, so for us it would be only 1.5 miles.
Yeah. We also, because we fly a lot and we just crashed our drone, we decided to get insurance.
Oof.
We paid $75 for 2 years coverage for the day we get this. And it covers up to 3 replacements with a small fee. So I think for us insurance was definitely worth it, because the more you fly, the more risk there is of losing this, especially how small it is. it's hard to find if it's stuck in a tree or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Did
So.
we cover everything?
Yeah.
Awesome. Let's fly it.
Let's fly.
Woo! So Trey, after your first flight test with this drone, what do you think?
It's awesome.
Yeah?
I love it. It was so stable. It's pretty windy. I think it handled the wind pretty good. It was a fun toy to fly with. I'm still a little PTSD from the last crash, but it was good. It was awesome. I f***ing loved it. So we've been loving flying this new drone. Somewhat we are like, thank God we crashed the old one.
It's really awesome.
Yeah.
It's small, it's compact, we really love it. Highly recommend it. The footage is pretty cool, it's 4K. And so like he said, awesome drone, and we're just so happy we got it.
Yeah.
There is some little thing we don't like about it, but it's not that important.
The main thing we don't like is that the back propellers are too close to the ground when you want to take off or land. And that just kind of like just takes you out of the experience sometimes.
Just a little bit though.
Yeah,
it's still
sometimes
worth
it stops taking off. So that's something you need to worry about.
Yeah.
And just have like a microfiber towel
Yes.
so you can take off from that. And that would
We
take care of
we did
a lot
land
of
on
issues.
sand, and sand got stuck on the propeller, and it just would not move anymore, and we had to spend a lot of time trying to get it out. So be very mindful of that, because it doesn't have long legs. You need something at the bottom to not damage the drone. And if it's your own home and you have grass, he will cut the grass off, just so you're aware. But still, overall,
Yeah.
we still recommend this drone. It's awesome. It's really good. You saw the footage yourself. It's really nice drone.
Yeah. And you need the DJI Fly app to basically fly with the drone. And with that, you can also use the joystick and the controller that comes with it. And it's very easy to use, and there are tutorials about it in the app itself that can help you fly it. It's pretty easy to
Yeah.
do.
We hope you enjoyed our input on this drone, and hope you tune in on Friday for our weekly videos.
See you soon.